some strange reason you want your Volkswagen Passat to sound like this, well, you're not going to get the whistle from it, but the obnoxious loud cold start from the rear muffler delete the DIY way with AutoZone parts. I've been asked a bunch of times about it, so I'm just going to make a quick video that I can point people to when I do get asked about it. I suppose if you get it right the first time, then yes, it is cheaper than paying a shop to do it. Paying a shop to do it, it would definitely look much better and be more solid and have no leaks. But I mean, this is fine. I haven't felt the need to spend money on getting it redone yet. I will eventually, but I mean, actually, I want to get a small muffler put back on to reduce the noise a little bit, because I don't know, I feel like I'm 40 and like family neighborhood, and people look at me weird. Look at that. That was me trying to reattach this muffler once. And as you can tell, that failed. I would just suggest going and having a shop do it for you and being done with it. But if you want to try it yourself, hack it off about there. I mean, look, if you change the angle that you hack the pipe off, it'll change, obviously, what pipes you're going to select for the back, but this is just how I did it. If I had to do it over again, I wouldn't do it over again. I would pay somebody. If you really want all that noise, you can do it the way I did, which was pretty cheap. Cut the muffler off right there with a $15 chain tool. I went to AutoZone. I grabbed a 45-degree bend, 2 1/4, and then a straight 2 1/4. And in order to get the angle right coming off of here, I had to cut a big section of the angled pipe off to shorten it. And I had to play with that and measure and cut a little bit off, cut a little bit more off, and then I got it at the right angle where it would come all the way straight back. And then it's just jammed on there. It's got some muffler weld in there, clamped on. I've got the wrap on there just in case there's any leak. Same here, a little bit of muffler paste. Jam it on there as hard as you can, and then wrap it. And then that's the factory mounting point for the muffler. I went and got this bracket. It was either AutoZone or one of those places. It was a totally different shape than this. I had to bend it in a vise with a hammer to get it to the shape I needed it to be in order to attach it on there with those clamps. So let me just say, I don't recommend anyone do this. It's fine, it's held up. It looks okay from the outside. But all said, I had to do this over like 4 times before it finally didn't fall off. And this is the final revision that worked. So I ended up spending as much money as it would have cost to just have a shop do it. So, I mean, if you really want to do it yourself, you can do this. But yeah, I don't. So got to keep in mind that mine's a little louder because I have the 3-inch downpipe as well that has less catalytic converter in it.